Hey everyone! In this video we're going to take a look at how to use the Share by Page feature in Simplebooklet. This feature lets you create a direct link to any page in your booklet so your audience gets straight to the content they need. We're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to scroll to the Simplebooklet that we want to share a specific page from. Once we've found it, we're going to select the Share button. From here we're going to make our way to the Link Management section and click on the Share by Page icon to open the Page Selection tool. We're going to use the tool to select the page we want our link to open to. The URL will update automatically, adding the page number at the end. We're going to tap Open to preview how it looks. Perfect. Now we can copy the link and share it anywhere: email, social media, or embed it on a website. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, check out our other tutorials for more Simplebooklet tips. Thanks for watching.